Hello, everyone. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers, and language enthusiasts. I feel proud to stand before you today to share insights on a topic that holds immense significance in our globalized world: how to speak fluent and mind blowing English in 2024. Dear friends, in today's interconnected and multicultural society, the ability to speak English fluently and eloquently is a skill that transcends borders and opens doors to numerous opportunities, whether for career advancements, academic pursuits, or personal growth. Mastering the art of speaking mind blowing English is a transformative endeavor that can elevate individuals to new heights of success and influence. So, the burning question is, how can one speak fluent and mind blowing English in 2024? First and foremost, let's acknowledge that achieving fluency and eloquence in English is a journey that requires dedication, persistence, and a passion for language mastery. It is not all simply about memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary. It is about immersing oneself in the language, embracing its nuances, and developing a deep understanding of its cultural and contextual implications. Here are a few essential strategies to embark on this transformative language learning journey. First is immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with the English language as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch English movies and TV shows. And the most effective mind blowing idea is that read English literature and engage in conversation with fluent English speakers. Immersion is key to developing an ear for natural language and patterns and enhancing your vocabulary and speaking skills. Dear friends, second point would be involved in regular practice. Like any skill, mastering English speaking requires consistent practice. Set aside time each day to engage in English conversations, whether with your friends, family members, or few learners. Over the time, regular practice will strengthen your confidence and fluency, enabling you to express yourself articulately and persuasively in English language. Third point is expand your vocabulary. A wide-ranging vocabulary is essential for speaking mind-blowing English. So make it a habit to learn new words and phrases regularly and strive to incorporate them into your everyday speech. The richness of your vocabulary will significantly enhance the impact and eloquence of your English communication. Your communication skill will grow higher. Work on pronunciation and intonation. Pay attention to the nuances of English pronunciation and intonation. Practice speaking aloud, record yourself, and seek feedback to refine your accent and delivery. Clear and confident pronunciation adds a layer of sophistication to your English speaking, cultivating your audience and commanding attention. Next point is master the art of storytelling. A powerful storytelling ability can elevate your English speaking from ordinary to truly mind blowing. Learn to craft compelling narratives, utilize descriptive language, and engage your audience through the art of storytelling. Captivating storytelling can leave a lasting impression and showcase your proficiency in the English language. So, the last point is seek feedback and guidance. Don't shy away from seeking constructive feedback and guidance from language experts. Dear friends, teachers, mentors, their insights can help you identify areas for improvement and provide valuable tips for refining your English speaking skills. In conclusion, the quest to speak fluent and mind-blowing English is a journey worth embarking on. It's a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and a deep appreciation for the beauty and power of language. By immersing yourself in English, practicing regularly, expanding your vocabulary, refining your pronunciation, mastering the art of storytelling, and seeking feedback, you can unlock the potential to speak English with fluency and impact. So, let's embrace the challenge of mastering English speaking with passion and determination, and let our voices resonate with fluency, elegance, and the captivating power of mind-blowing English together. Let us embark on this transformative journey towards language mastery and excellence. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe the channel to get more contents like this. Thank you very much.